Still Saturday, 22nd of April 2017, and it looks like Jake's and Nathan's not done with their rainbows yet. This one goes all the way around. Although my camera is failing me, that is a pretty big rainbow. Actually, rainbows are full circles, if you could see the whole thing. They are actually a complete circle. So imagine how big that circle would be. And like I was saying, today is the halfway point between Jake's 27th and 28th anniversaries of the date when he was kidnapped and murdered. So I definitely believe Jake and Nathan were both gay boys, so this is pretty appropriate. And in 8 days from now, it will be Sunday the 30th of April 2017 in America. So it's actually 9 days away, because I think the date in Australia will be Monday the 1st of May. And that's when I'm pretty sure there's going to be some kind of big natural event of some kind. I'm trying to think what it might be. And if I had to guess, I'd go with tornadoes. Because that's what most things that I've been looking at lately keeps drawing my attention to tornadoes repeatedly. But of course it is tornado season in America, so that I guess is to be expected. And Jake's home state of Minnesota was no stranger to Minnesota. Minnesota is no stranger to tornadoes, but they usually don't happen until about June in that state. Or June is the peak month for tornadoes in Minnesota. But yeah, rainbows, much nicer. Much nicer than tornadoes. But the way I see it, bad things do happen, and if you think something might be going to happen on a certain date, I like to flag it and just keep that in the back of my mind. Doesn't usually help people though, but I guess you never know. I remember one of the kids at my school said, "America needs you." So yeah, it would be awesome to actually make a difference and save lives. If there was something bad going to happen. I don't know how that stuff works. You start getting into weird territory there. Anyway, I think the rainbow is nearly gone.